This is how you can unlock the L-sit in calisthenics. But before we start, if you guys don't know, the L-sit requires both strength and flexibility. Now the common questions asked is how strong do you need to be before you train the L-sit? Well, in my opinion, at least you should be able to do 25 diamond push-ups. And in terms of flexibility, as you can see, I am not really flexible. So in my opinion, you don't need to be super flexible to be able to unlock this skill. At least you should be able to touch your toes to help you out on your L-sit journey. For the progressions, you can definitely try out the one-legged L-sit holds, switching to the other leg simultaneously. This will help you be familiar with the movement and will make your triceps and core really strong. And if that progression was too easy for you, you can try the full L-sit raises like what I'm doing in this video. This will definitely burn your triceps and your core, but will help you get the L-sit real fast. And if you want more challenge, you can definitely superset this with the one leg progression, simultaneously switching legs. And for the last exercise, let's not forget that the L-sit is a core dominant skill. So I would definitely recommend you guys to do the leg raises on the dip bars. Doing this exercise on a dip bar kind of simulates the real L-sit, but instead of holding it, you're just doing raises and the negative part of the L-sit. And again, if this exercise is still too hard, you can definitely do knee raises instead of leg raises. In terms of how often should you be training the L-sit, this will definitely differ on your calisthenics level. If you're not getting sore from all the exercises, you can definitely try training this every single day, but make sure to take rest so you don't overtrain. And that is how you can unlock the L-sit in calisthenics as fast as possible. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and comment down below on what videos I should do next.